You are sleeping under a rock if you think artificial intelligence is your enemy. With the creation of so many AI tools right now, we all know that so many jobs will definitely be lost. Instead of you hating on creators of AI tools, why not look for a way to make money through it or use it to do your job effectively? I won't want to be a bearer of bad news. That's why I'm bringing this good news to you. I've been hearing so many ravings and talk about this AI tool called ChatGPT, and today I am going to tell you what it is, show you how to download it on your mobile phone and how to use it. Okay, keep on watching this video and learn from it. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos and vlogs. If it's your first time of coming across my channel, please click on that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. I will tell you to subscribe because I film value-packed educating content just like this one you're about to watch it. Please keep on watching to enjoy this video. So guys, in today's video we'll be talking about ChatGPT, and before I show you how to download it to your phone and start making use of it, I will just give you a brief knowledge on what ChatGPT is if you don't know about it. ChatGPT is an AI tool which can help you with your daily needs. So of this AI said it has the ability to answer questions, write essay, help you in your job and do other amazing things, even help you with life hack. Let's dive into the video and see what this AI is giving. So guys, the first thing to do is to open your browser, and this is my browser here, and now I'm going to open it. rate 10. Wow, look at it. You can go back to the question you even asked before. You can go back to the question you even asked before. Scripting a 30 minutes, it can even rephrase your sentence. Wow. Scripting a 30-minute YouTube video requires careful planning and organization. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective script. Wow. Define your video purpose and target. Outline your video introduction, 2 to 3 minutes. Start your video with captivating introduction and grab. This is too much. I am so impressed. I am so impressed. Now I'm going to show you how to keep this on your phone as an app, so you don't have to go back to the website. And to keep ChatGPT on your phone, all you need to do is to tap on these 3 dots over here. When you click on it, you see to home screen. That is it. What you just do is to tap on add to. That is it. What you just do is to tap on home screen, and you can just save it as chat. You just save it as ChatGPT, so you remember, and you just add to your home screen, and this is it. So guys, at this point, let's check if it's our home screen. What you need to do is to go to your home screen, and this is mine, and I will just check, and this is ChatGPT sitting pretty here. This is ChatGPT sitting pretty on my home screen. If I want to ever type or ask question on ChatGPT, I don't need to go back to Google Chrome or my browser. I just come to my home screen, tap on ChatGPT here, and it will take me straight to it. And to start another chat, you just tap in that plus sign and you type in your message in here, and that is all. Okay, so guys, you just watch how to use ChatGPT and leave it on your phone, and the marvelous benefit of incorporating it into your life. Please, I want you to leave in any question you have, and I also want you to give this video a huge like. It also helps the channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe to join this beautiful community, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.